Do you know that if you count cloves according to your age, cloves kanafuru in Yoruba language, if you count it according to your age and you place it under your pillow, this is what is going to happen.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà ìdábọ̀ sóhun mi ló jọ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
Do you know that if you count cloves according to your age, cloves kanafuru in Yoruba language, if you count it according to your age and you place it under your pillow, this is what is going to happen. First, you will recover your stolen glory, starting from your childhood. If you are above 25 years, you can try this simple assignment. From 25 years down, you can try this simple assignment. You will have to count these cloves according to your age and you place it under your pillow. Are you with me? When you try this simple assignment, you will surely give thanks to Almighty God. So what are the materials you need? You need cloves and salt, normal salt. That is what you need. So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Wenje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. But if you don't understand, please feel free to call me on 070 3742 2552, or you message me on WhatsApp 090 5333 2747. So in today's video, I want to share with you how to use cloves according to your age to get out from spiritual bondage and to recover your stolen glory and to protect you from further attack. But if you don't know your age, this is what you are going to do. Are you with me? So you need 16 pieces of cloves. But if you know your age, it is very, very good. You understand? If you are doubting of your age, maybe you are 35 years or 40 years. No. Let me choose 50 years. It's not going to work. Are you with me? So if you don't sure of your age, you are going to use 16 pieces of cloves. And you must do this on Tuesday. You must do it on Tuesday. You understand? And you are going to use it on Wednesday by the grace of Almighty God. If you remember one of my assignments, place bitter kola at the corner of your room. Please, I don't want you to joke with all these simple assignments. They are very simple, you understand, but don't ever joke with it. Someone called me today. She said when she placed the bitter kola at the corner of her room, and then when she wake up in the morning and she find out that the bitter kola is double. You understand? She placed one bitter kola at the corner of the room, and in the morning she find out that the bitter kola has double, as in double bitter kola. You understand? So I don't know what is wrong with the woman. You understand? But this thing doesn't have any side effects. Just follow my instruction. If you never watch the video, so you can click on the link displaying on the screen. Are you with me? So the bitter kola recipe is very, very powerful. Are you with me? It's very, very powerful. You know, in that video, I said if you find out that the bitter kola is missing, you have to repeat it. If you find out that the bitter kola is complete, take it. If the cover of the bitter kola is not there, take it. But this woman said that instead of one bitter kola, she found out that the bitter kola is now 2. You understand? So I don't know what is wrong with that. Understand? So if you never watched the video, this is the video displaying on the screen. So in today's video, the one I want to share with you today, I don't want you to joke with it. Are you with me? If you know your age, you need 16. You need cloves according to your age. If you are 25 years, you need 25. If you are 30 years, you need 30. If you are 50 years, you need 50. You understand? Because let me tell you one thing about delaying destiny. Yes, people can delay your destiny. Maybe at the age of 30 years, 35 years, yeah, God have plan for you. But yes, human being can stop you or control the destiny. And when you reach age of 70 years, what you're supposed to get, age of 20, 30, 35 years. So when you now reach age of 70 years or 75, you now begin to see, you understand, some miracles in your life. Are you with me? So they can use spiritual power to control your destiny. Yes. Are you with me? So if you have cloves in your country, or you can find anywhere to buy it, count this clove according to your age. You understand? So this clove, you need a white cloth like handkerchief. Put all this clove in that handkerchief. Then put half spoon of salt, table salt. Put it on top of the clove, and you tie it. Place it under your pillow. Place it under your pillow. Are you with me? So when you place this under your pillow, before you sleep in the night on Tuesday, place it under your pillow. You can say whatever thing you want. You can pray, ask God to, you understand, to return back your stolen glory and to protect you from further attack. Are you with me? So then when you wake up in the morning, when you play this thing under your pillow, you may have some strange dreams. You understand? Don't be afraid. Are you with me? So when you wake up in the morning, take this cloth. I told you to put the clove in white cloth and salt. Tie it. You understand? Tie the white cloth, then place it under your pillow. So when you now wake up in the morning, before you see a single word to anyone, go and put this handkerchief in a bathing water. Water you know that you can use to bathe every part of your body. When you wake up around 4 o'clock, you can do it around 5. In fact, if you wake up around 4 o'clock, it's very, very good. You can set your alarm. You understand? So when you wake up in the morning, get enough of water you can use to wash every part of your body. Put this handkerchief in that water. Allow it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, save 1 cup from that water. Then use the remaining one to bathe every part of your body. Are you with me? The one you save in the cup, take it outside or your compound, anywhere, pour it on the floor. My brother, my sister, you'll be surprised how God is going to bless you, how God will fight for you. And anyone behind your problem, like placing black magic on you, that person will not survive it. He's not going to die, but God will collect whatever thing that belongs to you, that they are using spiritual power to control it. God is going to give it back to you by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective, only if you follow the simple instruction. So the handkerchief and the clothes in that handkerchief, what are you going to do with it? If you have anywhere to bury it, you can bury it, or you can throw it away. You understand? But if you have somewhere to bury it, please bury it. But if you don't have anywhere to bury it, you can throw it away. In fact, you can bury it under your flower pot. You understand? It's very simple and very, very effective. Are you with me? And after this assignment, and please, if you really love this video, help me to like this video. Help me to like it. And as you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. If you have anything in mind that you want me to talk about or share it with you, feel free to comment under this video in the comment section. Whatever thing you need that you want me to discuss about, I want you to comment in the comment section. Don't come to my private chat. Don't come to my WhatsApp. Please, Baba, I need this, I need that. Comment under the comment section. Are you with me? So that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you very much. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè Táyémọ̀síwẹ́ńjẹ́. Lórí ètò yìí gẹ́gẹ́ ṣe mọ̀ nǹkan tá a gbé dání, a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí ewé àtegbò láwọn nǹkan kéékèèké báyìí. Ojú tẹ́ fi ń wò mí, ojú ò ní fọ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ojú tèmi náà ò ní fọ́, etí tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́ mi, etí ò ní di lágbára Ọlọ́run. Làákàyè yín tẹ́ fi ń gbọ́rọ̀ wá, tẹ́ fi ń digest, làákàyè yín náà ò ní jọba lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èyí tá a mú wá fún wa ní òní, ó ní tí ayé bá da òkùnkùn bòyàn, tàbí tí wọ́n bá ní wọ́n ti gba ògo èèyàn, ògo ò ṣeé gbà, wọ́n lè máa yí kádàrá èèyàn padà. Ògo èèyàn ò ṣeé gbà o, wọ́n lè máa yí padà. Tí ó bá wà nù àkọọ́lẹ̀ pé ní age of 30 years wàá di billionaire, àmọ́ ayé wọ́n lè yí padà, wọ́n lè máa fi nǹkan míì báyàn jà, bí kí wọ́n fi ṣìnà sí ẹ lára, kó jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ kó o fi ní ògo ló ti fi ṣe ìṣekúṣe tán. Wọ́n lè fi nǹkan míì tiẹ̀ la tó jẹ́ pé nǹkan yẹn ni wàá máa bá rán, o ò tiẹ̀ ní ronú àti ṣiṣẹ́ tọ ògo ẹ̀. Ìwọ tó ń sọ pé ọmọ ológo ni ẹ́, tí o ṣiṣẹ́ tọ ògo ẹ̀, wàá sọ pé nìkan ń lo ògo ẹ̀. Ògo ò ṣeé lò, bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n lè yí kádàrá padà ni. Ayé ò ní dá wa láàmú lágbára Ọlọ́run. Handkerchief funfun kan ni kẹ́ jẹ́ ká wá. Handkerchief funfun kan ò ní jẹ́ ká wá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ wá kànáfùrù. Kànáfùrù yìí kó wá jẹ́ dédé iye ọjọ́ orí wa. Tá a bá mọ ọjọ́ orí wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká lo 16 mẹ́rìndínlógún. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kó sínú handkerchief yìí, ká bu iyọ̀ síbẹ̀ díẹ̀ sí. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká di handkerchief yìí ní kókó, ká dì lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fi sábẹ́ pílò wa. Ọjọ́ Tuesday la máa ṣiṣẹ́ yìí o. Tó bá di ọjọ́ Wednesday la máa lò. Tá bá ti fi sábẹ́ pílò wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká sùn. Tá bá sùn lé lórí, a lè máa láwọn àlá kan tí ò bá kádàrá wa mu, àmọ́ ẹ fọkàn yín balẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti wá jí, kẹ́ tó sọ̀rọ̀ sí yàn, ó dá tẹ́ bá jí láago 4 tàbí aago 4 àbọ̀. Ẹ mú handkerchief yìí, ẹ lọ bu omi tó bá tó yín wẹ̀, ẹ ju handkerchief yìí sínú omi. Tó bá ti ju tó bí 10 minutes tẹ́ ti ju sínú omi, ẹ gbé wọnú bathroom, ẹ lọ fi sanra, ẹ má fi ọṣẹ wẹ̀. Ẹ lè kọ́kọ́ ti wẹ̀wẹ̀ ọṣẹ o, kẹ́ tó fi eléyìí sanra. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Tẹ́ bá ti wá wẹ̀ tán, handkerchief tẹ́ ta ní kókó yìí, ẹ mú, ẹ lọ gbé ilẹ̀ síbi kan, kẹ́ rì mọ́lẹ̀, tàbí kẹ́ lọ jùnú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo advice yín kẹ́ gbé ilẹ̀, kẹ́ rì mọ́lẹ̀ ni. Ẹ wo, kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Gbogbo nǹkan tí ayé ti fi sí ńlá, tá fi monitor yín, kámẹ́rà tó wà lára yín, tá fi monitor yín, tá fi control ògo yín, gbogbo lọ́lọ́ọ̀bá ó bàjẹ́ mọ́ yín lára lágbára Ọlọ́run, tó jẹ́ pé ẹ sì wá rí àwọn àyípadà gidi nínú ìgbésí ayé yín. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò jù báyìí lọ. Èmi náà lọ́mọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè. A sọ̀rọ̀ kan ní bí a ṣe ń lo orógbó. Ta ní kàn fi orógbó sí igunlé. Bí wọ́n bá fi sí igunlé, tó bá di àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì wọ́n lè bá orógbó yẹn kí èpo ẹ̀ ó ti bó, wọ́n lè bá orógbó yẹn kí ó pé bó ṣe wà, wọ́n sì lè bá orógbó yẹn tàbí kán má rí níbẹ̀ mọ́. Sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé? Àmọ́ ńgbà tẹ́nìkan ṣe ó jọ mí lójú torí irú ẹ̀ ò ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi rí. Ó nígbà tóun fi sí ibẹ̀ tó di àárọ̀ ọjọ́ kejì orógbó ti di méjì. Títóbi Ọlọ́run, mo fi Ọlọ́run bá ṣe ẹlẹ́rìí, wọ́n ló ti di méjì. Tọ̀ bó ṣe wá di méjì o, mi ò mọ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lè ṣe torí pé ó lè jẹ́ pé wọ́n ń plan nǹkan burúkú lé wọn lórí ni. Orógbó méjì ẹ lọ dànù, ẹ tún ṣe. Ọ̀rọ̀ ò ní dàrú lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi lọmọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè. Ó dàbọ̀.
Ọlọ́run ọba ewé ń jẹ ewé á jẹ ewé ń jẹ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lò jọ dìbò ewé ń jẹ ewé. La ilaha illallah alawalu alakiru asọhiru abatinu Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. Kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa.